let's solve the problem together. What do we have? Let's check the numbers. We have 5 over 6 times 2 over 5. And this time we're going to draw the two models together and check the overlapping parts. So, for the first part, we have 6 and out of which we have 5. So we will represent here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6. And then what about the second number? We have 2 over 5. So I will represent my 5 rows and I will only color 2 rows of them. With that, I will have this part over here, which is the overlapping colored part. How many are they? Let's check. We have 10 out of the total 30. And of course, this number is not in the simplest form. I will take the 0 up and down, so my final answer will be 1 over 3. I think this was easy. Now let's move on to problem 4. We have 1 over 3 times 3 over 8. I'm going to do the same exact thing. So we are going to draw one model that takes both numbers together. For the 1 over 3, I will divide it into 3 parts and I will color only one column like that. For the second number, which is 3 over 8, I will have 8 rows and I will color 3 rows like that. With this, I will see that these are my overlapping colored boxes. How many are they? They are 3 out of the total 24. And again, this number is not in the simplest form. I can simplify by dividing by 3 up and down, and the final answer will be 1 over 8, as simple as that. Now let's move on to problem 8. Here you can see that one of the factors is what? 3 over 3, which is equal to 1 whole. So the answer is equivalent to 5 over 8 without any steps. Let's write it together. So the answer will be 5 over 8 because this is a 1 whole. Now, this time, in excess, we're going to do the next part over here. We are going to divide the model into what? 3 parts, and then color all of it, and the second fraction is what? 5 over 8, which means that the model will be what? If I want to represent this number as a model, what will happen? Let's do it in details. I will have the 3 out of the 3, so 1, 2, 3, and I will have 5 out of what? Out of the 8. The same exact way. With that, what will be the product? It will be the overlapped shaded part. Now, when we count the color part, we will see that we have 15 boxes out of the what? 24. Now, for the 15 out of the 24, this is not the simplest form. So, we are going to divide by what? 3 up and down, and again, the final answer will be 5 over 8, as we have written before.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.